In Indiana, at Indianapolis, partly sunny, and 49. Finally, in Evansville, fair, and 54. Once again at 11 a.m., at the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport, it was 47 degrees under cloudy skies. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Cool and damp weather continues today as slow-moving low-pressure tracks east. Dry weather. This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KZZ48 Owenton, Kentucky, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Franklin, Gallatin, Grant, Harrison, Henry, Pendleton, Owen, Scott, and Shelby. And in Indiana, Switzerland. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KZZ48 Owenton, Kentucky.